Jingle bells, jingle bells. What? It's not Christmas time yet, is it? Oh, yes, it's time to start learning about Christmas lights. Are you a pressure washer and you are looking for something to do in the wintertime? And you're like, man, what am I going to do to make it through winter months? You know, when we first started out pressure washing, we went for 2 years and we kept wondering, what can we do in the wintertime? What can we do in the wintertime? How can we make money in the wintertime? What can we do to make money in the wintertime so that way we don't have to save up $10,000 at the end of the year to make it all the way back to February, so when we come back into March that we start pressure washing. Hey, I'm Jason Guyman here with pressurewashhelp.com to help you grow your business, be successful, and to change your life. Again, this is Christmas light business, and we started doing this in 2014. And with Christmas lights, can be very profitable for you for the winter months. In fact, if you do it right and you get some time on it, I know people that all they do is Christmas lights and they're off the rest of the year. So with this, I just wanted to show you some Christmas lights and what it is. So I do a Christmas light training. If you are within a 5 or 6 hours and you would like for me to come there and do a training for you, I will need at least 2 or 3 people to be in the class, but I will drive that 6 hours there and do that training for you. I have the trailer here, and that way I'm mobile and I can go do a class. If that's the case and you would like to do that, go down in the comments and just let me know, and then I will get back with you. But Christmas lights are a lot of fun. In fact, that is probably the best thing, other than watching the green just magically go away. This is the most fun too. There's nothing better. I still remember the little kid that came home and we were working late that night to get it all done, and the kid's face was just like, wow. That is an amazing experience to have. And the way we do it is we have a Christmas light. I show you and I teach you how to have a service, a Christmas light business service. We don't rent lights. We are a service, a full service. And with that being said, with it being a service is, you know, we come, we bring our lights, we put our lights on that person's home. If a problem happens, we go back, fix that problem, and then at the end of the season, we take them back down. They're our lights. Next year, we can do the same thing. We go over pricing. I go over how to install, how to make our own extension cords. I have a great resource for getting probably the best bulbs at the best price through my class here. I'm pretty sure I'm about cheaper than anybody else. And so with that being said, Christmas lights can be very, very profitable. It's a lot of fun. Usually this year we will start October 1st in Cincinnati, and they will start installing October 1st and install to about December 15th is usually when it cuts off. But in that period, I believe they'll do about $350,000 to $400,000 just in basically October, November, a little bit in December. They're actually shooting for $500,000 in the Cincinnati location, and I believe that we can get that through All Clean to be able to get that. So with that being said, if you would like to learn how to do Christmas lights and start this awesome journey down the road, like I said, go down, let me know. I am going to try to have a class in Nashville. If anybody's in Nashville and would like to let me light up your house, and it'll be in the middle of October, I will let you keep the lights in October all the way through Christmas. You can just unplug and plug them back in November, and then you can have the lights through the end of the year. But with that being said, go down in the comments and let me know, and that way I can start planning around that. See you in my next video, and comment down below. Thank you.